Forget the Misconceptions, Part 2. The success of the Jantize Area Developer, as I mentioned, does not come from the actual hands-on cleaning. It does come from awarding the local Jantize unit franchisees. We'll actually have a franchise disclosure document for you to award franchises within your territory. Ongoing residual royalties. You want to talk about passive income? Ask Robert Chess. Administrative fees, marketing fees, or upgrades, the commissions your sales guys are bringing in for those unit franchisees and the customers. Equipment leasing, vacuums, scrubbers, vans to the unit franchisees. And of course, those commodities, supplying the customers with not only the cleaning products, but all the paper towels, tissues, soaps, you name it, that are going to be reordered month after month after month. So please, forget these misconceptions. This is not a cleaning business. It's an executive level empire business.